This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your hazardous weather briefing for a very chilly Thursday, February 27th of 2014. Well, we've talked about this for a while now, but the hazardous weather for the next 7 days is going to happen relatively soon, really for today and tonight. First off, Arctic air continues to pour into all of northern Michigan behind a very strong Arctic cold front that passed through last night. We're going to have some brutal wind chills today because the northwest winds are going to increase through the day, reaching 30 to 40 miles an hour for the highest gusts. And with that brutal wind chill out there, there's going to be an increased risk for frostbite today. Now, that Arctic air hangs around all the way through this week, and it may be in the early next work week. However, with those gusty northwest winds today and that Arctic air, we're going to get some light lake effect snow showers. They're going to impact mainly the Grand Traverse Bay region, but drifting snow is going to be fairly widespread. But the best reductions of visibility, again, will be around the Grand Traverse Bay region, but they will be seen across mainly eastern upper and almost all of northwest lower Michigan. And again, that is for today. Expect some periods of significantly reduced visibility with roads drifted over in spots, and this is going to result in some pretty obvious hazardous travel across northern Michigan. Now let's take a look at the graphics. The one on the left there is for today. Obviously very windy out there. And the shaded area shows your periodic poor visibilities that are expected throughout the day today. And again, drifting snow will be pretty common everywhere in northern Michigan. But less reduction in visibility across northeast lower. It's just going to be brutally cold everywhere, as we can see in the right-hand graphic, which is the 24-hour lowest wind chill. We see across all of upper Michigan, where there's going to be in the upper 20s below zero, all the way up to maybe 40 degrees below zero. That's what it's going to feel like as you get down into northern lower Michigan. Some sporadic 30 degree below normal readings, but generally in the 20 to 30 degrees below normal range. So brutally cold out there today, and those cold wind chills are going to last throughout most of the day today and possibly even into this evening. Now, even as the winds drop off as we go through the night, that's going to allow temperatures to fall pretty sufficiently, and we're expecting with near calm winds as we go into the overnight hours. Many places, especially those low-lying areas, dropping all the way down into the 20s below zero. The warmest, if you want to call it warm, of readings will be about the single digits below zero, and that'll be confined mainly over towards the Lake Michigan side south of Leelanau County. Now, please be reminded that in extreme cold, frostbite can occur in less than 15 minutes. Dress in layers, keep all your extremities covered, and take your warming breaks by going inside. It's going to be a very cold day today. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.